How to delete transaction history in Gcash. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So as of 2025, Gcash does not provide an option to delete or hide transaction history within the app. All transactions are permanently recorded and visible in your account's activity log. This design ensures transparency and aligns with financial regulations. While some online tutorials and videos claim to offer methods for deleting transaction history, these are often misleading or involve unauthorized workarounds. Engaging in such practices can compromise your account security and violate Gcash terms of services. So, some alternative ways is to go ahead and simply use the app filtering option to view specific transaction, making it easier to navigate your history. Download your transaction history and manage it internally, allowing you to organize or archive a record as needed. Also, if you believe there is an error or unauthorized transaction, reach out to Gcash customer support for assistance. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.